Hello guys, Naresh here. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be looking on the weekly analysis for the upcoming week, and let's hop into the forexfactory.com past and let's see what are the news coming upcoming events on the next week. So on Monday we are having like holiday on most of the banks, so can't expect a lot of volume, and we will be expecting good amount of spread like a lot of spread as well because of low volume. So try to avoid trading on Monday, guys, because there will be no volume, no like high movement, and your spreads also will be normally high in holidays. Okay, so try to avoid on trading on Monday. On Tuesday we're having event on NZD at morning, and on Wednesday we're having news on CAD with the back-to-back news on CAD, and on Thursday we're having news on NZD and GBP, and at 10:30 we are having also news on USD as well, guys, so we can expect good amount of movement at that time. And on Friday we are having PMI news on Euro, and a speech at 8 p.m. of a GBP. So upcoming week we are not having major news, but these are like we can expect good movement even this in this news as well. So let's hop into the analysis, guys. So first of all, let's hop into the Euro USD, and in Euro USD we can clearly see that we are in downtrend, and we can um, go with, like we can also see here at we are from the lower low here, and in 4 hour time frame also you can see we are forming downtrend. So right now we are in the important support level, guys, and we have already seen that here we have already touched this important support and pushed back again. So what I'm expecting is we can either come to this level again and continue on the trend, or else if it is not continuing from here, the price can again pull back to this level, which is a 1 day trend line, and this is a wanted trend line. So price can come to this level and it can drop again, guys. So like we try to go with the down trend direction, guys, and if the trend is down, so if the price is holding this level, it can drop again, or else if it is not holding this level, if it is moving up, wait for the price to come to this level, guys. But I think this will be happening on the next week, not next to next week. So most likely if the price is coming to this level, which is trend line as well, so we can expect the price to hold this level. If it is holding this level, it can come down, guys. So that would be Euro USD. If we drop into like 1 hour time frame also, we can clearly see the bearish, the momentum side of bearish momentum here. So like if this is coming to this level again, which is a 50% and 60% retracement level as well, so if it is coming to this zone and if it is holding and making a bearish engulfing, you can go for short entries here. So let's open to ADSD, guys. So in ADSD we can see here that like the momentum is changing. We made a large wick candle and the bearish moment is kicking in 1 day time frame for ADSD as well, and we have already made a something kind of double top here, and we have also broken this support also here, guys. So what I'm looking here also is the bearish trend is continuing here, and this is an important support level here, guys. So if the price is coming pulling back again to this trend line and making a confirmation in bearish side, you can go for short entries, guys, in ADSD, and it is an important support area. So don't expect a lot of like more target. Try to close half, at least like 70 to 80% position in this area itself. So and in 4 hour time frame also we can able to see the trend line also here, guys. So we can expect a downtrend like a bearish move here, so we can look for the bearish sell entry here. And if the price is coming here and if it is consolidating here and it is not able to break below low, make lower low, so if it is not able to make a lower low here, you can go for the 1 hour time frame, and if there is a change of structure in 1 hour time frame, you can go for buy entries from here, guys, because this is an important support area, and it is also near an important trend line as well. So two things can happen. if the price is pulling back to the zone again, and if it is dropping back down, you can go for short entries here. And if it is holding this, if the price is holding here, and if there is a break of structure in 1 hour time frame, you can go for long entry from here. Okay, so that would be for AUDUSD. So next would be GBP USD, guys. So GUSD is not that much interesting because it is bottom of the channel here, and if you go with 4 hour time frame also, before some like past to past week, it make inverted head and shoulder and it broke down up again. It is not able to sustain. Again, it came down and took out this liquidity from here as well. So now it is GBP is pure consolidation, guys. So I would not suggest you to trade here, because even if you draw a trend line something like this, it have already broken this trend line downside as well. It is moving up and it is consolidating, so it can go up again and it can come. So it can, until and unless it is breaking out of this consolidation, don't try to enter it for high time frame trades like 4 hour or 1 hour time frame, guys. If you're going with 15 or 30 minutes, it's totally fine. But if you're going for swing trades, try to avoid now until and unless it is breaking this support or this resistance here. Okay, so that would be for GBP USD, guys. So GBP JPY in 1 hour time frame, it is totally bullish, and in 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing like weakening of strength here. So what I'm like looking for is, if the price is coming to this support level again, and it is an important 4 hour trend line as well. So if the price is coming to this level and holding this level, you can go for long entry from here. Or else, if the price is directly breaking this area in the morning itself, it is directly continuing with bullish, powerful bullish candle close here, you can again look for the pullback to this zone again, and you can continue the trend, guys. So that would be for GBP JPY. So NZD is similar to AUD. So the trend is down and it is totally weak in 1 hour time frame, 1 day time frame, and in 4 hour time frame also it broke this support here. So what I'm looking is, I'm looking for the pullback to this zone again, and I'm looking for short entry from here, because this trend is down, and in 4 hour time frame also it broke down. So same like AUD, it is approaching an important support area here. If it is holding this area and moving up, you can look for long entry from here. If it is breaking this low and closing below this important support area, you can go for short entry after the pullback to this trend line. Okay, so that would be for NZD USD. So USD CAD, next would be USD CAD, guys, and in 1 hour time frame we can clearly see it is moving in channel pattern, big channel pattern. So and now it is in uptrend, like it is moving up to this top of this channel. So I'm looking for only long entries in USD CAD, guys, and we can clearly see because of some news it dropped drastically, and it recovered so nicely with high good momentum back again. So what I'm looking is, we can able to draw a trend line here, and it is an important support area, guys, and in 1 hour time frame it is forming a triangle pattern. So what I'm looking is, I'm not going to enter directly after the triangle pattern is broken up. I'm waiting for the triangle pattern, and waiting for the like strong breakout and retrace to this level, guys, because most of the time lot of retail traders will be trying to enter here and placing the stop below and here. So so most likely the price will not move in straight forward, right, like breakout and move like this. Always the price will break out and returns to this trend line, something like this, and it will move up again. So what I'm looking is, I'm looking for only long entries, good sign of bull candle here and retrace level, and I'm looking for long entry from here, guys. So and if there's a continuation and breaking out and moving up here, if there is a breakout, like again if it is forming 1 second, so it will be like holding this area and moving up. If it is moving higher high, which is, this is the last high, so if it is breaking the high and if it is coming to this level, you can again look for long entry from here, guys. So it is going like a trend here. So I'm looking to long from here, and if it is breaking this level, can take the target and I can close the position here. And if it is retracing to this trend line again, you can again look for long entry from in here, guys, near this trend line. Okay, so that would be for USD CAD, guys. And so let's hop into USD CHF as well. So in 1 day time frame, it was consolidating a lot, and it broke out of this trend line, like a triangle kind of channel here. And see, guys, basically what a textbook explanation will be like: after a breakout, it should continue directly up, but the market won't move like that, and it need to make lot of liquidation from here and here. So it came back to this trend line again, which should be this trend line, because it formed a higher high here. So same like what I've told in last week analysis, it moved in this same direction, so it came to this level again and it is moving up again. So again, I'm looking is it formed an better head and shoulder, guys, and it is a very good opportunity to go for long. So what I'm looking is wait for the price to retrace to this level again. It is an important support, and it is also a near an important trend line as well. So I'm looking for long entry from here. But if you want to, it needs some wait, guys. Like you need to wait for like at least 2 days. How like Tuesday or Wednesday you'll be getting this trade. But if you still want to take a trade, you can go for counter trend trade as well, guys, because we are having a clean candle here. So what I'm looking is you can go for low risk, because this is counter trend, right? So I always suggest you to go for lower risk in counter trend, and I will be looking doing the same in counter trend. If it is trend, I'll be going with the full risk of mine. If it is a counter trend, I'll be going with the half of my full risk. So what I'm looking is I need to for like look for a bearish candle in 1 hour time frame close, waiting for the pullback again, and I will be looking for short entries. So here we are having a good amount of space to cover back again, so it would be also good, guys. So we are having both side potential in USD CHF. Pull back to this level again, I'm looking for long entries from USD CHF. Okay, so next would be USD Jpy, guys. In 1 day time frame, as we know, Jpy is so weak, it is super trending. And in 4 hour time frame also, there is no sign of weakening of trend. So I'm looking for going with the trend, and trend is your friend, guys. As long the momentum is there, and if the trend continues, go with the trend. Don't try to short here, because it have already stretched, the market is stretched, it made a big move up, it should come down. It should not be like that. You need to always go with the trend. So it is moving in a channel pattern, guys, and it is also near an important trend line as well. It is a big trend line here. You can draw the trend line using here. So we are having confirmation with two things. We are also moving in channel pattern, so it would be an important support using the channel pattern, and it is also an important support from the trend line as well. So I'll be looking for long entries after the retracement of price to coming to this level, and I'm looking for long entry from here, guys. So that would be for USD JPY. I'm not planning to go for short entries because the momentum is super good for it USD JPY. So I'm going with the trend. Okay, so next would be ADJPY, guys. In ADJPY, we can clearly see here we are consolidating here and forming some kind of triangle pattern here. I'm also looking for short long entry only, because even though there is a rejection here, the price made a rejection from here, and it is not able to continue down, so it is pushing up. So that's why there is a consolidation here. So what I'm looking is, if there is a break and close above this area, wait for the pullback to the up and to this level again, which is an important support near the trend line as well. I'm looking for long entries from there. Okay, I'm not looking for short entries in AUD I'm planning to go with the trend, and so I'm waiting for the break, retest, and move up again. Okay, so next would be CHF JPY, guys. So in CHF JPY, we can clearly see the momentum is loosening, because we made a rejection here, and it is an important like the candles also little big here. So we are having both side potential here, guys. So if it is breaking this support and near this trend line as well, I'm looking for short entries after something like this. If it is breaking this support, making the close below the support, I'm waiting for the pullback to this trend line again, confirmation of sell again. I'm looking to continue with the 4-hour trend. If it is moving up again from here, if it is holding this level and making some kind of double top here, and if it is moving again, I'll be looking on long entries in chf jpy, because the overall trend is up and it is also important support area. So if it is holding this level and moving up, I'll be looking for long entries. If it is not holding this level and if it is closing below, breaking this support and closing below, and wait for the pullback to happen in this trend line again, and again you can go for short entries in chf jpy, guys. So that would be CHF JPY. We are having both side potential in CHF JPY. In Euro JPY, we made a big pump and it made a consolidation here, and it is not able to come down. And we are also able to see the bullishness of 1 day time frame. So right now it is consolidating, same like that. If it is breaking up again above this important rejection area, and if it is coming to this trend line again, I'm looking for long entry from here. So, and other thing is, if it is breaking below this trend line, respecting this rejection area, if it is breaking below this trend line and wait for the retest to this level again, and I will be looking for short entries. But I'm not suggesting you to go for short entries here, guys, because the overall trend is down up. So I would love to go only for a long entries in Euro JPY. Wait for the break of this important support rejection area, guys. Close above this rejection area, wait for the pullback to happen, and you can go for long entries in Euro JPY. Okay. So next would be NZD JPY, which is similar to AUD JPY. But compared to AUD JPY, NZD JPY is super weak because we can see clearly in 1 day time frame the momentum is losing here. Whenever it went up, we made a high rejection, and the size of the candle of bearish candle is also big. So basically, I'm waiting, guys, because I'm not planning to go for long entries because we are having good opportunities in other JPY pairs. So wait for the break of the structure, because this is an important support area. Break of the structure, retest, and go drop again. So that would be for NCD JPY, guys. So next would be AUD CAD. So AUD CAD in 4-hour time frame also, it is bearish. It is near an important support area, but it is not able to hold this level. It is moving back down. What I'm expecting is pull back to this trend line again and drop. It's a very good opportunity, guys, and if this trades comes out, it will be super good trade, and it can even continue down to this level or this level. So that would be for AUD CAD, and next would be Euro JPY GBP. So Euro GBP is also in 4-hour time frame. It is in downtrend. So already it reached an important support area. Because why it is forming a support area? Because 1 day time frame, the candle made a support from here. That's why this candle is respecting this level, and right now it is in pullback phase. So if the price is again coming to this level and holding this level, and we can, if we are able to see a bearish engulfing candle in 1 hour time frame, can go for short entries and target this area. Okay. So that would be for Euro JPY, and I have covered all the major pairs and minor pair as well. So hope you have enjoyed my video, and you got I think you have got something valuable from my video. And please leave a comment and like my video, guys, and give your feedback as well, so it will be very helpful for me. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll be seeing you on the next week. Have a great day trading.